What if I told you that with just one email, we did over $1 million in sales in under an hour? No Kardashian collab, no viral TikTok stunt, no magic digital marketing hack, just fundamentals executed perfectly. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how my team at Breadloaf helped our longtime client PlaneTags pull off their first $1 million hour, $1 million day, and $1 million month with the launch of the SR-71 Blackbird PlaneTag. What's up, guys? Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know I've been building brands in the D2C space for over a decade. One of my oldest clients is PlaneTags, a brand that takes retired aircraft and turns them into collectible luggage tags. This campaign I'm about to walk you through is one of the proudest moments of my careers because it wasn't a fluke. It was 9.5 years in the making, and it shows you exactly what's possible when you combine the right product, the right audience, and the right launch strategy. So let me take you back for a minute. It was 2016, and I just left a director role at an agency I was director of ops at. I was consulting, and I was hungry to start my own shop. Through a mutual friend, I got introduced to Dave Hall, the founder of PlaneTags and MotoArt. Dave had been making functional art and furniture out of retired aircraft for nearly 2 decades, pieces that sold for tens of thousands, upwards of hundreds of thousands of dollars. But in 2015, he finally launched a consumer product with a new brand called PlaneTags. The idea was simple but absolutely genius. He cut pieces of real aircraft and made them into collectible luggage tags. After I met Dave and pitched him on running his ads and helping him build this business, I was hooked immediately. We signed an engagement, rebuilt their e-com stack on Shopify and Klaviyo, and started running ads. For over 9 years, Breadloaf has been their growth partner, running launches, scaling ads, and building community. In 2019, we dropped the first SR-71 Blackbird plane tag. If you don't know the SR-71, it's one of the most iconic military aircraft ever made. It flies at Mach 3, 85,000 feet in altitude, and it's a legendary piece of aviation history. So the first drop, we did 85,000 in 14 minutes from a single SMS. So we knew the demand was insane for this product. Fast forward to July 2025, and we got our hands on more material from another SR-71. The actual stabilizer from a retired Blackbird. We knew this thing was going to be big, but we had no idea it would set a new bar for the brand when it came to sales, growth, and new customer acquisition. So here's where the magic starts. It was in the pre-launch phase. Most brands botch launches because they just throw it up onto a site and pray. We did the opposite. We built anticipation and exclusivity. Step 1, we created a dedicated early access landing page. The only way you could buy this SR-71 tag at the launch was by opting into this list. Step 2, we ran hype ads for 5 to 6 weeks leading up to the launch. We spent about $4 to $5 grand total, nothing crazy. Those ads drove to the early access page, and by launch week, we had over 12,400 subscribers on the list. And here's the kicker, about half of them were brand new prospects, not existing customers. That's the power of a good lead-in campaign. You're not just selling to your loyalist, you're using the hype to acquire new customers. We also prime the existing PlaneTags list with emails. If you want in on this launch, you must be on the SR-71 list. This drove scarcity, exclusivity, and clarity. The night before the drop, we sent a short hype email. Tomorrow, 9:30 a.m., PT, early access only. That's it, clean, simple, undeniable. We set the tone, we told them when it was coming, and they were excited. We turned this into a marketing peak in the calendar in mid-July 2025, which was traditionally one of the slowest times we've seen in the past year for all of ecom. So now it's July 11, 2025, 9:30 a.m. Pacific, early access list is locked and loaded, and we hit send. The numbers, they were absolutely insane. We had over a 67% open rate. We had over a 50% click-through rate off that one email, and we did over $1 million in attributed revenue from that one email in less than an hour. I'm gonna say that again. Over $1 million from one email to 12,400 people. Inventory started flying. Certain variants sold out in minutes. We had customers hitting refresh. The energy was absolutely unreal. Then a few hours later, around noon, we opened it up to the rest of the list. That added another couple $100 grand in sales. Social posts kept the hype alive. By the end of the day, we'd crushed over 1.5 mil. And for the end of the month, PlaneTags hit their first 7-figure month. So why did this campaign work? Number 1, product market fit. You can't fake it. The SR-71 is an icon. Aviation fans were counting down the days to get their hands on one of these collector's items. I mean, where on earth could you actually buy a piece of an SR-71? Number 2, segmentation and stakes. We forced exclusivity. If you're not on the list, you don't get it. That creates FOMO and urgency. In 2025, the most sexy thing you can have with a brand is a launch that develops FOMO for your product. When your customers are upset they can't get their hands on it, it's a good problem to have. Number 3, flawless execution. The email had one job: drive the right people to the product page, no distractions, no fluff, just one objective. And then we backed it up with strong operations, inventory, checkout, customer service ready to hit the flood of new inquiries. And number 4, trust and compounding brand equity was the key here. We've been building this list and community for the past 9.5 years. Every launch, every email, every ad was a deposit into that trust bank. And on July 11th, we made a massive withdrawal. And when it comes to lessons, here are the biggest takeaways for you as a brand owner, marketer, or operator. Great launches start months before launch day. If you're not building hype and anticipation, you're leaving money on the table. Next, your list is your leverage. Paid ads are important. We run pay ads, we do that all the time, but the $1 million hour came from email and SMS. Next, scarcity must be real. We didn't fake it. When certain SKUs sold out, they were gone. That's why customers trust the brand. And then we kept it simple. One list, one CTA, one launch window. Complexity kills conversion. We see it time and time again. Marketers and operators always try to overcomplicate things. At the end of the day, we kept it simple. We had one objective, we had one CTA, we had one product page, and it produced massive dividends and a return for the brand. Keep it simple always. If it seems complicated, it is, and you should rework your strategy. And lastly, relationships compound over time. We worked with this brand for nearly a decade. Most agencies don't last 18 months with a client. Longevity matters, and having the right team operating you for years to come is going to produce massive dividends. Now you might be thinking, Mark, that only works because the SR-71 is special. And you're right, it is, but the framework works for any brand with the hero product. Your version might be a limited edition flavor, a signed drop, a seasonal SKU, or collab with a partner. The point isn't the product, it's the system. Build anticipation, lock early access, create urgency, and execute flawlessly. At the end of the day, this wasn't luck. This was fundamentals, strategic planning, list building, killer creative, and a product worth talking about. Huge shout out to Dave Hall and the entire PlaneTags team. They've been preserving aviation history in such a unique way, and they deserve every bit of this success. So here's my challenge to you. What's your $1 million hour moment? What product, what drop, what story could you build the same way? If you found this valuable, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment on what your biggest takeaways are here or what's challenging you and your business right now, and make sure you subscribe. And if you're a brand doing 7, 8, or even 9 figures on Shopify and you want my team's help to engineer your next big launch, hit the link below and let's get an audit scheduled with your brand. And I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Peace.